Yo, yo, yo. Shaking everybody. It's your boy Randy Nichols, man. And this is Nickelgains, man. You know what I'm saying? Back at it once again. You know, it's the end of the year. I ain't been on the channel for, quite some time, man. So I hope y'all still here with me, man. I hope y'all tap in, man. If not, man, I understand, man. It's all good. We going into the New Year's. I hope y'all had a happy holiday, and I hope y'all year was good, you know what I'm saying? My year, it wasn't really too, I'm grateful, I'm happy that, I got some new subscribers, I met some new people on the channel. I'm definitely grateful for that, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, man, I hope this next year will be definitely better for me, and I hope it is for you as well. Hopefully this year, man, I could get some more content out. Hopefully, reach 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying, get the channel monetized. So, whatever I do, man, I'm gonna try my best, man. That's all I could do, man. And just try to stay as Mr. Consistent, man. Consistency. That's the key, you know what I'm saying? There's a couple of roadblocks I ran into this year. When I get back to going live, man, and my usual people tap in. You know what I mean? I'll let you guys know what was going on throughout the year, man. But other than that, man, I'm getting back to the content, man. So we gonna get right into it, man. It's my first video, man, for the end of the year. I bet a gentleman. I told the gentleman, that let's watch the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Gave him a little challenge. 200 push-ups within 10 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Gentleman said he works out 5 days a week. He gets busy. Let's see how he does, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy Randy Nichols, aka Mr. Consistency. You know what I mean? And we gonna get into the video real quick. Oh yeah, also, man, I'm definitely trying to do some new things on this channel as far as, besides exercising and, calisthenics. And we just trying to have some interviews on here, with some successful people, people that's, going towards a new journey and other different things, man, So y'all stay tuned for those. And, just like, share, subscribe, man. You know what I mean? Stay in tune with your boy, man. That's all I gotta say, man. Happy New Year to everybody, man. I hope your last year was prosperous. And I hope this one will be prosperous to you as well, man. Tap in, man. This is my boy Juan from Orlando, Florida, man. Let's see how he does, man. This is Nickelgains, man. I'll let your boy. Yo, yo, yo. We're shaking everybody. This your boy Randy Nichols, man. And who I got here with me today, man? Talk to me, man. Talk to the people.
Oh, man, I'm finna give him 200.
200 what? 200 what?
200 push-ups.
200 push-ups. Where you from, Juan?
Orlando, Florida, man.
All right, man. And you work out often?
Yeah, I do, man.
All right. Tell them how often you work out, man.
5 days a week, man. 5 days a week.
5 days a week? All right. So my man gonna do 200 push-ups in under 10 minutes. And if he completes it under 10 minutes, he gonna get us a nice surprise today, all right? So let's get it, man. You ready? Whenever you ready.
Go.
All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You banged out 50. Alright.
What was that? How long?
Shit, man. Well, on the camera right now, we got 1 minute and 33. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna go up to the 11-minute mark, man. Try to hit it in the 11-minute mark. You at 50 right now, right?
50? Yeah.
I bet, man. Yo, man, I want to see some lockout though, man. You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Straight up. Know what I mean?
That boy trying to get me to work.
Let's go, baby. We working today. Let's go. We at 50. 1, 2.
That's way harder, dog.
Let's go. 53, 54, 55, 56.
Fuck that.
Let's go. 56. Come on, man.
I ain't doing
Nah, no lockouts. No lockouts. Come on. No lockouts. Fuck it. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's go.
Like that.
Let's go, baby. What's that? 53. 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Let's go. 59, baby.
200 straight like that.
Let's
man.
go, baby. You on it, son. Let's go.
I can do it in that time, but bro.
Let's go, baby. 59. Come on, man. How much more you got after that? What's that?
What?
59.
About 140 something still.
Let's
Hell
go.
no.
Let's go, baby.
About a hell no.
Oh, shit, son. Don't tell me you quit on the tube.
Quit, man. Quit.
Oh, shit, son. Let's go, man. Come on. All right, give me 100. Give me 100.
Fuck that.
Give me 100. Give me 100, son. Let's give me 100. Give me 100 then.
Nah,
Let's
I'm
go.
not gonna do it, man.
Oh, shit, son. All right, man. Well, you know what I mean? We on lunch break right now, man. Yo, sign out, man. Let them know, man. Let them know that it was
man.
tough, man.
200 straight. That's tough.
All right, G, man. Yo, it's a good try, man. Anyway, man, we out of here, man. Randy Nichols, man. You're going to catch him again. He going to complete this challenge for me one day, man. Word up. All right, yo. Good try, though.